Okay, so I finished my spirit chains that I showed you with the 3 different kinds of ribbons. And I thought I was going to end up with a lot of extra on this one, but I did not. Once I made it to the end, I only ended up with that much. So when you get to the end like that, just trim off these excess ones. You can trim it all off, or you can save a little bit on one, like this one, just in case you need it for attaching it to the mom. So I'll leave that white one on there. Now I'm gonna bling these up a little bit. These would work great for a guy or a girl. I've got just this single diamond mesh, and what I can do is just glue it down the very center in the middle, like so. Look how pretty that is. And I also have this one. They're little squares. And I think that would work for either a guy or a girl. I don't think it's too girly. So like that. And then I also have the flower one. And I can glue it like this all the way down. Or I could just cut them and glue them every so often. So it's whatever you like, and well, what you have, or you know, how much the person is spending. This one is the least expensive. You can find this one in more places. You can even find it at dollar stores. These are a little bit harder to find. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, or you can order them online. And this I found at Hobby Lobby. It is on this roll, and it comes like this. And I just cut down one side. So I'm going to glue this onto this burgundy one. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue down the center. I'm not going to go all the way down because I will cover that up with something else, whether it's a tinsel or a trinket or something. Make sure I got them all glued. And I know I say don't put the glue on there, but I just turned on my hot glue gun so it's not extremely hot, so it's not going to mess up these ribbons. And I'm just doing a really fine line. So I'm just gluing that like that all the way down, just to make a straight line. I'm going to take this orange one and just simply make another thin line, very, very thin line. Start down here, just tap it into place, and then glue it all the way up like that. And then you could go back and do a few of these too on top of that if you wanted to. Oops. So again, just a little thin line of glue. Pull that tight and just tap it down. Just that simple. And you get that pretty blingy braid. It just steps up your braid so much. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.